4 simple steps to save a marriage through communication. Communication is essential in saving a marriage. The majority of relationships fall apart because of misunderstanding due to lack of communication. Couples are forced to go their separate ways as there comes a time when it's too late to patch things up. Being open with each other can often save a marriage. Here are 4 steps in effective communication that couples should know and apply to their relationship. Number 1. Open communication. Failed marriages are usually the result of lack of communication. When emotions are kept bottled up, it usually builds up, and when they can't handle the pressure, resentment follows. The time will surely come where every emotion will be released, and when that happens, heated arguments and unresolved problems will resurface. It will be best to talk with each other about unresolved issues when both of you are level-headed and calm. When you find something that's unpleasant about your partner, don't think twice about telling them. Don't be afraid to talk. Your spouse will not know that there is a problem when you don't communicate with them. Number 2. Keep your marriage safe by listening. Couples should not only master the ability of opening up their feelings, but also learn to take time to listen to one another. Keep in mind that hearing is different from listening. Partners should take time to listen to what their spouse has to say in order to fully understand what they're talking about before giving their reactions. Number 3. Improve your marriage by processing what has been communicated. After couples talk and have finished expressing their feelings, they should process and understand the things that they have talked about. Thinking about the points raised will eventually help them in finding a solution to the problem. When things are processed well, it is best to resolve them with a plan. Number 4. Resolve all issues. Staying calm and composed in a fight is not easy, but will surely help couples in resolving their issues properly. Screaming and shouting whenever problems are talked about will just lead to bigger arguments. Exchanging ideas on how to resolve things together will increase their chances in keeping their marriage on the right track. These are definitely helpful steps in communication for couples who want to save their marriage. Awareness about these ideas is needed for a healthy relationship. Following these steps may be difficult at first, especially to those who are not comfortable in expressing themselves. But this is a better option than pushing through a divorce when your marriage is falling apart.